In a sunlit attic, a wooden jigsaw puzzle comes alive, guiding toy friends as they plan a city festival. Puzzles trace back to 18th century Europe, and this one teaches landmarks while the pieces dance to a swing groove. A magnetic train rolls by and the tiny engines sing safe play tips, showing gears, magnets, and tracks in action. A playful pop culture nod arrives when a retro TV locomotive shares roots and resilience with the crowd. The episode ends with a grand parade that teaches teamwork, history, and imagination through joyful music.